Okay, welcome to week 3, learning about your learners. Here's where we really get into the heart of learning experience design. We'll talk about how learning experience design is committed to viewing the learner or the end user as a whole human. They're not just a consumer of the experience that we put forth or the information that we're presenting them with. They're a whole human that's coming to the experience with their own needs and thoughts and backgrounds and opinions and preferences. And the better that we can accommodate, understand, and address all of those in the way that we've set up the learning, the better we do of enabling them to succeed, the better we do of setting up those serendipitous moments where learning can actually occur. So how are we going to do that? You're going to engage in the work of setting up some learner personas. You're going to create what's known as an empathy map for the learners of your intended learning experience, the one that you proposed in weeks 1 and 2. You're going to get to know the transfer context for those learners. Where is it that the learning is taking place, and where is it that they will apply the lessons that they've learned in your experience? And then finally, you're going to understand the personal learning networks, or PLNs, of your learners. What informal and formal learning opportunities are available to them that can complement and supplement the experience that you're creating, right? So learning doesn't just happen within the vacuum of the experience that you're creating, but it's part of a larger context of that person's life. So again, that's part of approaching them as a whole learner. We're going to talk a lot about the idea of empathy. We're going to talk about the concept of humanizing online learning, where online learning is not just about the technology and that kind of human-computer interface, but really emphasis on the human aspect of that, and the relationship building that can take place between learners and instructors, and between learners and the content itself. And then finally, we're going to hear again from Allison, Jason, and Lori about design thinking and learning experience design takes the whole human into account. So let's dive in.